The Civil Aviation Authority of the Philippines, or CAAP, said it would take at least a month to determine the cause of the crash of helicopter RPC-3424 in Guimba, Nueva Ecija, which claimed the life of its pilot. According to CAAP spokesperson Eric Apolonio, the agency is currently investigating the records of both the aircraft and the pilot. Reports indicate that the helicopter departed from Manila on February 1, 2025 at 10:22 a.m. for Baguio, where the passenger disembarked. From Baguio, it flew and landed in Balanonan, Pangasinan at 12:05 p.m. for refueling.
Kailangan malaman natin yung mga factors like yung record ng mga aircraft, yung piloto, yung service record ng piloto, the weather during the time ng crash, tapos yung communication po, i-retrieve po yan. At ang pang-lima po, aalisin ho yung helicopter na yan, ilalagay sa isang lugar para ma-reconstruct nang malaman kung ano talaga yung naging kaso ng pagbagsak.
Ano ba ito? Private sector ba ito? Government po itong chopper na ito?
Private ho ito, pinaupahan ho ito.
Pinaupahan? Kanino po ito, kung pwedeng malaman? Sino po may-ari ng chopper?
Yung pong yung Lion Air Incorporated po. Well, kahit ho sinong pasahero, basta Philippine Registered Aircraft, dumadaan ho yan sa scrutiny at may mga flight safety check. Lahat po ng aircraft yan, whether commercial or Gen Ab aircraft.
Yes. So, ngayon, anong assurance na mapapangalagaan ng buhay ng mga ito? Ngayong maraming lilipad dahil kakampanya nga sila nationwide starting February 11.
Well, as far as yung reliability ng aircraft, definitely dumadaan niya sa mga safety checklist. Hindi ho namin i-issuean ng flight plan yan para makalipad kung may diferensya yung aircraft.